This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Beef Negimaki.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
Making beef negimaki involves cutting beef into thin slices and pounding it into even thinner slices. It takes time and it takes skill. The Busy Daddy solution to this is to buy a pack of beef Shabu Shabu or Sukiyaki. It's thin, cut into size, and ready to cook. This is a quick dish that you can make after a hard day's work or for any barbecue event. The ingredients I'm using today are firm tofu, asparagus, and scallions. But feel free to use whatever vegetables you like. Cut all your ingredients into size that will fit the sheets of beef. Put the vegetables into the beef slices and roll it up tightly. Now onto the sauce. If you have made my teriyaki sauce from the previous video, this will be a good time to use it. I'll leave the link to my homemade teriyaki sauce in the description below. Otherwise, this is how you can make the sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a bowl, and stir the solution till the sugar dissolves. You may heat up the mixture a little in the microwave to help dissolve the sugar. You can grill, barbecue, or pan fry the beef. Heat up a pan with some oil over medium heat. Place the beef in the pan, seams side down first. Turn the beef over. When it's almost done, drizzle the sauce on top. Quick and easy beef negimaki. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.